What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to take you for a spin in the M2. So haven't taken you all on the POV drive yet. It's always been like freezing. Today is like 75. You see the short sleeves on. So I'm about to get this in the driver's seat and finally be able to go past the limits of what I have been able to due to the cold weather and having summer tires. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take you around. I don't know where I'm going to take you yet, but let me get the GoPro. I've been waiting for this, and before we lose the sunlight, let me get into the M2 and do some hood rat things with my friend right here. Shout out to the Integra as well. Shout out to the Integra Type S that I saw. Really like that, so I want to get that. Can I get it? We'll see what we can do, but it's all upon allocations of the dealerships if I can find one at a reasonable price. So yeah, let me get the GoPro, we'll hop in the M2, and let's go. Before I hit the main road. Little twisty turns here. Tail end want to come out a little bit. Gotta know what you're doing driving this car. Driving it like that, you're not supposed to stab on the gas through the turns like I just did, but I'm out here playing and I got the traction control on, so that'll save you. Ideally you wouldn't do that. I think I might take you out of Detroit. There's a little area that some big developers got into in this part of Detroit. I think Magic Johnson invested in this area, so I'll show you all that as the end point. South, which will take you straight into Flow Rider. Shout out to the Men of Culture. Got 100 Gang Nate and race car friends down in Florida. And shout out to Blueprint when that leads all the way close to the West Coast. Close enough. Detroit. Very naked without my jewels. I don't have on anything. Let me get around these people. Got some curves coming up. Man, got the police over there. Gotta be cautious. Where my waves at, bet? This might be one of the favorite powertrains that I have had in all of my cars. Something about the character of it. The engine, it sounds good, it sounds strong. The exhaust, a little more to be desired. I fixed a lot of that with the MRT mid pipe. But this powertrain, like as far as power, delivery, and efficiency goes, this has got to be number one. I'm averaging close to 20 miles per gallon. But this thing is butter smooth. What in the world is that? Inflate tires. Man, why my tires keep doing that? About to come off on 7 Mile. You might have heard the movie 8 Mile, but 7 Mile is what us Detroiters normally resonate with. 8 Mile is like the division from the suburbs and the actual city. Okay, so my tire's at 31 PSI. I'll inflate it. Got a tire inflator at the house. Sun shining bright. Got a lot of cool art over here and techno music that originated in Detroit. So got a little mural about that. Fire department. Then we're approaching Woodward. Woodward is one of the iconic streets of Detroit. So it goes from Detroit all the way throughout the suburbs. It's a very long street. Take you all the way downtown to the river where you can see Canada. So this is a very divisive intersection. Over there is going to be a golf course, and that's a very prestigious neighborhood. Probably one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in the city of Detroit. Palmer Woods. We're close to the University District. Got a college. The University of Detroit is around here. Huge homes. We can check them out in another video though. We got a friend over there. All right. Got an Equinox trying to race. That's different. Hey, hold on. He wearing my colors on that Porsche. Hold up, buddy. What's that all about? The purple and green. That's me. Hey, hold on. It sounded real good. Oh, we got somebody that littered. Come on now. All these trash cans. This is gonna be a trash can wherever you go. What? Oh, they still littering, throwing fries. Oh my God! Why ain't you eat all your food, man? Hold on. I don't like litterers, man. Why are they littering so much? Man, there's an episode of The Simpsons when a Native American cried. That's me right there, man. Like I cannot stand littering. And this, like, you'll see a lot of litter in the city. I don't know why littering's so prevalent over here, but have some pride, man. Like, you gotta live here. Gotta have pride in your city. Like, who wants to see that crap riding around? But that was a ton of trash they littered, man. If you go home, you got a trash can. You go to the store, you go to work, trash cans galore. So I don't see the need to litter. But this is what I'm talking about over here to the right. So AutoZone, Starbucks, McDonald's, a Meijer. It's a whole shopping complex. It used to be the state fairgrounds, and it was bought out by some investors. I'm pretty sure Magic Johnson was one of them, and they really invested into the city. So now it's a bright spot because they moved the state fair. They moved it out of Detroit and into the city of Novi, which is another nice prestigious city. But Detroit didn't have like any chain stores. There's no Walmart in Detroit. There was no Whole Foods in Detroit. Like, nobody. It's just like mom and pop stores and like your local Green Giants, stuff like that. But Detroit didn't have like any main grocery stores. This Meijer was like the first one. And then Whole Foods went downtown. So we got 33, 39, 36, and 31. They all over the place. All right, about to get back on I-75 and go north. This was like a 20-something year project, and they cut it down 12 years. That let you know, like, they just, I don't know how you cut a project down that far in years. But this whole highway is about to be brand new. All of this is new. Not sure what they're doing over here again. Thought it was finished, but going north, all the way up to Auburn Hills and past that has been like repaved. But like a little section just north of this 696 highway they got to do. They did one side, so they're doing the other half. Want to get out the same lane as the police when you date. When you ride past. Living in these parts, there's not a whole lot of curves. It's got to be on the highway, unfortunately. Who y'all think will win between me and this Mustang GT? Drop a comment. This car rides so good on these smooth roads. You can tell the harshness of it when it gets to uneven surfaces and bumpy surfaces. Still not the most harshest car I've been in. FRS was that thing was bouncy. See if we can catch up to that. Is that a Mercedes? It's effortless. Interfering as it should, because I was about to get tail happy if I would have took that with that off. Let's see if we can get these tires to talking. GoPro got me switching lanes in this thing. Up top, it's crazy how this engine can pull so strong. Das German VTEC, yo. Take one of these few last curves. Right here, let's do some wide open throttle. This is Detroit again. Southfield Freeway, 8 Mile right behind me, 7 Mile coming up. Car stopped ahead of me. That scared the crap out of me seeing that. So hard from like 3,500 RPM, it's pulling really hard all the way up to red line. It's pulling as strong as red line as it does at like 4,000 RPM. Hit red line. There we go. Wonder was the car braking for me? Don't know. These people are very slow. The advantage of having a tiny car. Maneuverability, folks. Potholes. Bad. See how hard this thing pulled at 55. Dang. They climbed up fast. Very strong powertrain. This is one of the most impressive powertrains I ever driven, man. Inline sixes with the turbos. Chef's kiss. Man, Waze is so useful, it's telling me everything. car stopped ahead of me. Boom, there it is. I don't know how I went all this many years without using Waze. Drop a comment, let me know if you use Waze. And shame on you for not letting me know about it. Alright, the race car friends will point out I'm wavy head Q now, but I'm going to end the video with that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my channel, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.